Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Fidelity Titans versus DP World Lions. We'll dive into their rich history, recent form, and key player strengths to give you a clear picture of where each team stands. Understanding their current momentum and individual talents is crucial for any fan. Let's break down what makes these two teams formidable opponents in South African cricket. The Fidelity Titans are renowned for their consistent winning record, holding the most domestic trophies in South African cricket. They often showcase a blend of experienced campaigners and emerging stars. The DP World Lions, on the other hand, pride themselves on a robust development pipeline, consistently nurturing and producing top-tier national talent. Both teams are home to many Proteas players, highlighting their significant contributions to the sport. Looking at recent performance, the DP World Lions have shown strong form, including successfully defending their T20 Challenge title. Their head-to-head record against the Titans has been quite favorable in recent matches, often securing crucial wins. However, the Titans remain highly competitive, consistently challenging for top honors and securing significant victories in other domestic tournaments, making every encounter a must-watch. In conclusion, both the Fidelity Titans and DP World Lions are powerhouses in South African cricket, consistently delivering thrilling performances and nurturing exceptional talent. Their rivalry is a cornerstone of the domestic game, pushing each other to greater heights. We anticipate many more exciting clashes as they continue to compete for supremacy. And speaking of preparation, if you're looking to make your meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.